Hello, this is Patent Attorney Bowr with Power Patent, and today we will demo how to do a software patent application using the claims and the drawings. So let us get started. We click on the Prepare Application. Then we are shown with three options here: do the claims only, or the invention disclosure, or you can just do regular drafting assisted with the AI Copilot. You can also import your templates from Word or from Google Doc, but we'll pick the claim option. So for this purpose, we will select a set of software claim, and we're going to paste it in to save time. Okay, so here are the claims. All right, and we can certainly add in any invention disclosures, but in this case, we want to make sure we want to drop in the drawings that's provided to us. And these drawings came out of a published application, software application. So once we do that, we just click on Draft and Invention. And it'll take it a few minutes, so go and grab your coffee or relax. While it's doing that, I want to discuss a few other features that we have. Number one, we have a diagnostic feature which identifies, part names and number. Perhaps there's some errors in designating the numbers, duplicate numbering, for example. So we'll catch that. We also catch the antecedent basis issues in the claims. And we can also check for claim support as well as functional claiming. We can explore that once this application is finished. So let's wait for it to finish. There it is, it's done. So as we notice, it has the title, the background is done for you. The summary is done. If you want to have it discuss advantages of the invention, or how it improve performance, you can certainly do that. Discuss how improves computer performance. It will generate text, and then you can, of course, summarize or clean up as necessary. And while it's doing that, we can look at the abstract that's been done. So here, there's obviously some extra text. So we'll just, we can clean it up. So here, it talks about the improvement, but it references claim 1, so we can certainly edit that. We can just simply clean it up by saying the computer implemented made and it talks about machine improvement here. So you can elaborate on that if you want, but that's what we have. So then in the next step, what we will do is look at the drawing and how it annotates the drawings. Okay, so here, I guess in this particular description here, there are some unknown, and what we could do so now we are seeing that it's generating the figures. So we can submit that. And now you see that it's generating the part list. We also notice now it identify the components of the of the blocks. So what we would do then now is simply tell it to elaborate on figures 1 and 2. Well, let's just say all figures. So basically figures 1 and 2. And let it run for a few minutes while we get our coffee. So now it's done. You see that now the new text is now highlighted or flashing light to indicate where that new text is, and you can review it. Um, and so you can see that in very short 5-10 minute interval, we have now created a good draft application. You can always insert in the boilerplates that you want. Let's say here and here. You can also revise the claim. You can drag and drop it, or you can do a quick search if you want. So in this case, it's you can look at these results and revise your claim if it's needed. But basically, it's mapping the claims to the U.S. patent database. You can also drag and drop it around. So in this example, we want to drop claim 5 up. Fine. We can make it now independent. We can make it right here. And so now claim 5 has been moved up. We can run diagnostic and look at the different part lists and make sure that they don't have any duplicative, like phase 302, phase 305, identified phase. You can scan that and correct them as needed. It also checks for functional, like I say, means of personalizing and means for a viewer. And you can look at how it describes what the means are, the structure for the means. And we can add in the ADS and IDS, have the inventor add in the ADS and IDS, and we can save our current, and we can do versioning by clicking on Save a Copy, and we can also export the Word document for filing directly. This Word document can be directly uploaded in Patent Center. And that's about it. So this is a very quick way to generate about a 40 to 50 page patent application with using the claims and the figures as a starting point. We can also add in inventor notes and things like that to further guide the application. So please watch our series on how to draft and file patent application in a very time efficient manner. Thank you very much.